Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy TV and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Guys, this is another crypto video about the BNB smart contracts that I'm doing. Guys, these smart contracts are really passive income programs which I should emphasize you guys to take a look at, and then if they are for you, you may be jumping with a few BNB and you multiply them with these smart contracts. So what I have here is BNBMiner and also BNBBusiness. So I'm going to start with BNBMiner. I've been there for a few days, and how it does or how it operates, all you need to do is you need to have some BNB on Binance Smart Chain, and you put it into this platform and it keeps printing for you 3% every day. So in just a month your money will be out, and then you'll begin getting profits. So in total in a year it gives out 1095% APR, and it is a verified smart contract. And also their Telegram group is network, guys, hold on. So I was saying that their network my network sucks. Sorry about guys that my Wi-Fi had a problem, so I've fixed it. So I was saying that they have a Telegram channel group where you can even meet the developer. This is the developer, and this guy is always active in the Telegram channel. So you can check the Telegram channel, it's on the site, and then you'll be able to see whatever is going on in BNBMiner. So this is the smart contract, and if we are to look at the analytics of the smart contract, this thing has been growing aggressively since July this year. So check this parabolic growth. So it started on the 20th of March, and this thing wasn't yet marketed, so people knew about it in July. So that's why it is as good as saying that it has just begun. So that's how it works. The website is simple. You just have to come here, you put in the amount of BNB you want to get started with. For example, if you want to get started with 0.2, 0.1, they'll give you this amount of miners and they'll be making for you BNB here every day. So your BNB that you mine will appear here, and then you'll be able to collect your BNB after 24 hours. So for the time of when the time of withdrawing reaches, you have two choices. You can either hire more miners. Now this is the same as reinvestment, and also you can pocket your BNB. So this is the same as withdrawing your BNB into your wallet. So the choice is yours. If you hit on hire more miners, this amount of BNB accumulated will go back and will be added onto your BNB, the business, and it will grow your income. So you can withdraw it, and the contract balance has so far 1075 BNB in it. And for those of you who can build teams, your referral link will appear at the bottom here. As you can see, share your BNBMiner referral link. Our contract pays you 10% referral fee. So you share your link and you get rewarded with 10% of whatever your team goes in with. So another platform that I want to show you guys is BNBBusiness. This one is also doing incredibly well, and all you need to do here is you come in with as low as 0.1 BNB. And for those of you who don't know how to set up BNB on MetaMask, I'm gonna leave my links. I have videos about that. I have videos on how to install MetaMask wallet on PC or laptop, and also how to connect MetaMask wallet to Binance Smart Chain. I'm gonna leave all these videos in the description of this video. You can check them out and see how to get started Binance Smart Chain. So this contract is growing also. It has got now 11,000 members, and the way to get started, you just come here, you put in the amount of BNB that you want to get started with, and remember this BNB has to be on your Binance Smart Chain wallet. So if you click like maybe 0.6 BNB, me personally I started with 0.4 BNB, and so far I've grown my investment up to 1 BNB. That is all through auto reinvestment into the platform. So I have several videos about this, including the withdrawals, what is BNB business, and all those other stuffs. You can check my other previous videos and see how this all goes about. So now I'm getting 50% as auto reinvestment and also 50% as withdrawal percentage. Previously this was 60% and this was 40, but since I've upgraded to 1 BNB pack, now I'm getting halfway of that. So this is my single leg family. Guys, I didn't refer these members. These members were rewarded to me by the smart contract, and if you join as well, the contract will reward you members like these ones, and whatever they do, you get 1% of whatever they do. If they buy new packs, you get 1% of that, and if they withdraw, you also get a 1% of whatever they are gonna use for auto reinvestment. So this is my family, they are coded my account, and I'm earning a great passive income from them. So if you can see here, this is what I'm meaning. So I withdrew like 30 minutes ago, and I've so far earned 0.02 BNB from people who came in before me. These are the people, wherever you see upline, so I'm earning from 20 people who came in before me, this one upline, and I'm earning from 30 people who came in after me. So that is a passive income, and I've also built a team. This is my team, and I'm getting some commissions forever they make new investments here. So your referral link will appear here. If you want to share it, you click on it, you copy it, and also share it. And they also have some PDFs in 9 languages that you can share with your teams. So guys, that is all about these BNB smart contracts that are doing well. And remember to join with funds that you can afford to lose, because these are businesses and you should always manage your risks very well. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next update video about these platforms.